So here's how to transfer funds from your Payoneer account to your bank account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Payoneer account. Now here you will see these options: get paid, pay and withdraw and transfer option. You have to click on it in order to take a withdraw from the Payoneer. Then here you have to click on the withdraw to bank option if you want to take a withdraw to your bank account. Once you click on this, now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to add all of the necessary details, like you have to select the currency and then you have to select the amount. Once you have added the amount, now here you have to add a little bit of description and then click on the review option at the bottom to confirm the transaction. After clicking on it, now you have made a successful transaction to your bank account from your Payoneer account. So that's how to withdraw money from your Payoneer account.